Hey guys! Today I want to teach you how you can make a decoction to cure common cold and use just 4 very common used Chinese medicinal herbs. Let's get started. So in order to prepare this decoction, we need jingjie 4.5 grams. Then we need fangfeng 1.5 gram. We need sangye 6 gram. We need lianxiao also 6 gram. So now how to prepare our little decoction. It's very easy. We just take the 4 herbs and we put it into a pot. We add about 400 milligrams of water and then we bring everything to a boil. Once it boils, we change the flame to a low heat and we boil it for about 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes are over, we strain the liquid and it's ready to drink. Traditionally, Chinese medicine decoctions are taken twice a day, usually in the morning and then the second time in the evening before you go to bed. So when can you take our little recipe and try it out? It's best to try it when your cold has just started, so when you have a sore throat and perhaps a little bit of a cough and you have headache and a little bit of fever, just make it and try it out and see if it helps you. I hope you enjoyed our little program, and if you would like to have a short PDF summary of our recipe, just click the link below and I'll be happy to email it to you. Thanks for watching our program and have a healthy week.